Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I'm going to do a little bit of planning even though it's Wednesday. I'm going to plan out this week, and it's been a hell of a few weeks, guys, so just bear with me, alright? So this is my little chunky monkey. So I ordered something. I can't show you the thing because it's got my address on it. And it came, and it's Beautimus. It's from Mystic's Little Gifts. And it is a pocket-sized traveler's notebook with a 2-inch spine and 8 elastics, you guys.
This thing is a fucking honker.
And I love it. I am in love. I love it. I just don't want to switch into it quite yet because this is, it's just so, it's hot here, and this does not scream like hot weather to me. This is more like autumny. And I'm going to switch into it, but for right now we're just going to stay in this. But can you even get a load of this? 8 strings, 2 inches. So this is 1.5 inches spine for comparison, and that's 2 inches. And this has 6 strings, and my one I ordered has 8. Like, can you even? I am so excited. It's gonna be fantastic. And this has a pen loop, and I got pink elastics. I was thinking, wouldn't it be pretty with like maroon for fall? But then I was looking at like papers for fall, and I just, none of them, I mean, they were all beautiful, but there was something off, and then I figured out what it was. It was all too classy. I'm not that classy. Like, look at, I am a ridiculous person that loves chubby unicorns. So be it. So this is gonna have to be like part autumn, part ridiculous, because that's just my style. So, but I am so excited. And I don't have time to switch into it today, or, you know, we would talk about it. But so that's coming, and I'm in love with it. Absolutely in love. It's the color Sand with pink elastics. And then these, I feel like I'm all over the place. I feel like a drunk chipmunk. I'm just stumbling around. I can't even tell you. So this was the other thing that I ordered from Shine Sticker Studio. During the Go Wild collab sale or whatever, I ordered all those, these kits, you know, the pocket and the Hobonichi Weeks, that are so cute. And then I also ordered these die cuts because I'm a beast. So these are my die cuts that I ordered, and I'll show you these, and I want to put them in my traveler's notebook. So this was a Halloween one from Shine Sticker Studio, and I just loved it because of the black cat. It reminded me of my black cats, and then it had Luna, and I just thought it was cute as hell. And then Majestic AF. I had to. And then this was supposed to go in my fitness notebook that I haven't picked up again, because I've been a fat turd and haven't done anything. So that's gonna go somewhere. And then she doesn't even go here. Damien. I had to get Damien. It's just, I had to. There was no freaking choice in the matter. So I want to slip these in somewhere. I think Damien is gonna go right here. She doesn't even go here. I love that so much. I might need to like hold her in place with something. I never want to put glue on my die cuts because I don't want to ruin them. These are the kids' inserts. That's cute. I look at my own thing and I'm like, oh, it's so cute. Oh, Emily. Maybe. Oh, that one's a little bit wide too. Let's see. I just trim off right here. Will she fit? Yes, she'll fit. Yes, I am a unicorn. And then maybe I can slip this in here. Majestic AF. Oh, here we go. It's like she just needs to be like trimmed ever so slightly. That was one of my first attempts. Just needs to be restuck. Put that there. Is that all of them? I think that's all of them. Okay. So you know I have more stickers than Jesus himself, who has a lot of stickers. But I had a 50% off coupon for Michael's, and none of my stickers I felt like, I just didn't feel like using them right now. They're all autumn and Halloween-y themed, and like I said, with it being a sweat box outside, it's literally 90 degrees, and I can't handle it. It's making me so grouchy. So I got this at Michael's, and they're normally $5, and it was 50% off, so it turned out to be $2.68. So I figured for $2.68, I would freaking buy myself some new stickers, because this one felt like more appropriate. Like, today is my hot mess day. I don't want to taco about it. And since I've been a fat ass lately, sorry, I can't, I have plans. It's perfect. It's so my mood right now. So my mood. So we're gonna use this, and we're just gonna be happy about it. Okay, voiceover time, you guessed it. Can't plan and speak words. It doesn't work for my brain. So I'm just cutting down the days of the week, like I do, you know, as you do, just trimming it down. And I did have to cut off parts of them, you know, to make it fit, but that's just comes with the territory with my little pocket, and I'm kind of used to it now. I don't really care. I'm sure there's plenty of people that do, and you can tell me about it. That's a-okay. But yeah, it's fine. And I'm just adding a ton of decoration this week because I don't write, well, I try not to really write to-dos in this spread. It's just for like scheduled timed things. So I basically put in all of the washi strips, the decoration, to kind of take up room, and just because it was super cute and I just wanted to see all of them. So put in those, and I just layer them up because I just like all the colors, and you know, I just wanted this to make me happy, and it does. Spoiler alert. So I'm just so torn with planners, you know, like sometimes I want something very like straightforward to the point. I think I need to have like my crazy planner and then like a regular person planner, like a normal person planner. I think my life calls for both of those, because I would get to fill it out twice, which I love. And then I would have planners for different, you know, for different feels, for different occasions. Like maybe I could take my adult planner to work, possibly, and this could be like my, you know, every other day, you know, every day in my purse planner, not where like my colleagues, who the hell am I kidding? I don't have colleagues, I have friends at work. Well, they see it, so not that I really care. I am so off topic, oh my God. So I wrote in the dates, and then I'm using the decorative boxes. Monday, I put one down that was kind of cute and just wrote in my daughter's ballet class. And then Tuesday, it was busy as all get out. So I used the flags. The flags in those kits work perfectly because they are like the right width. So it was Michael's day off, and I put a big sticker down for karate in the evening, and then I put in a sticker. We both had to work yesterday. He just had to go in for a couple hours. And then we had a meeting with our attorney that had been on the books for a long time to do our will. If that doesn't cheer you up, I don't know what will. Good Lord. In the catastrophic event that you all die together, what would you like done with your assets and estate? Well, just shoot me now because that's so depressing. I can't even go on with my day. But anyways, adulting sucks hardcore sometimes. Really, really does. But anyways, it is what it is. That's just my saying for the week. It is what it is. And I'm putting in that I have to go to work today on a sticker, but I did put in a heart because I went to my parents for coffee this morning, which is always a highlight. And then I'm putting in a sticker with a donut for tomorrow because I'll probably go for coffee tomorrow as well. And probably Friday if we're being quite honest. I have a sticker on Thursday to put in Addie's dance. She's got 2 hours of dance on Thursday night, so I'll put that in. And then I just put a big coffee sticker in over Friday and Saturday, just cause coffee. I like it. And then let's see. What else? Oh, my favorite sticker. Sorry, I have plans, and just got like a remote and the pizza. Like, if that's not my Friday and Saturday, I don't know what is. It's about realistic as it could get. And then a green flag to write Henry's popcorn sales. His Bear Den Boy Scout popcorn thing starts this weekend, so they'll be at the hardware store selling popcorn. And then Addie has gymnastics on Sunday evening. So that's the layout of the week. And then I decided to put some of these little icons down. Well, I haven't done that yet. I did a to-do list. I love the holographic in this. You really can't beat all these stickers for like $2.50. Are you kidding me? Like, when there's a good coupon, you can really get a steal, because I really should have, they're cute. There's Wonton in a Million, Shine Sticker Studio, and then the Kawaii, why am I blanking on this? The other one. The other one, you guys. This is why I'm on no one's PR list. You know, that other shop. But anyway, they're all really cute, and I just liked this one because it was kind of sassy, and that's just kind of how I feel today. And then I used some of the icons for like filming and grocery shopping, and that Monday one is just like a sleeping guy because I was so lazy on Monday. I had a terrible sinus headache, and I just slept all day long. I just slept until I had to get my kids from school. It was awful. It was like so depressing. I don't know. But anyways, and then there's my to-do list for today. And as you can see, I can hardly check anything off of it. Haven't done anything that I need to do. Instead, I'm doing this. But I love you guys, and that's why. So this makes me happy. I can't thank you enough for watching. Please subscribe, and thank you so much for being so great. You guys have a great week, and I'll see you soon. Bye.